Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to use for loop statement in PHP. Looping statements are very important in any programming languages. It is used primarily for repetition of a certain command or statement in a program. One of the most very common type of looping statement is the for loop statement. Here in our text editor, we can declare less than question mark PHP, and then we have here, we declare a variable. We will declare a for statement here for open, let's say $a equals 1 semicolon $a less than or equals to 10 $a plus plus curly bracket, and then we can have here echo counting. We have here the word counting at $a $a semicolon question mark less than. Now let us save our work. Control S. We will move to the folder of SAMP. I'm using SAMP in all my PHP development htdocs. We will create, right click, we will create a folder here, folder, let's say example 4. Double click the folder, and then we select PHP. Let's say for example index.php. Click the save button. Okay, so let us discuss first the statement before we run the script. In a for loop statement, there are three sections. The first section is the initialize value or initialization. The second section is the conditional statement, and then the third is the increment or decrement. In this example, we have your variable $a. We start the initial value of 1 because we want to display a series of number from 1 to 10. Next, we have here the condition $a less than or equal to 10. So the initial value of 1 is true because the initial value of $a is 1, so the condition is true, no? $a is less than to 10, less than or equal to 10. And then the third section of the code is the increment $a plus plus. $a plus plus is the same with $a equals $a plus 1. We increment plus by 1. Now we have using the echo statement to display counting 1 up to 10. So after we have saved, the next step that we'll do before we run the script is to make sure that our SAMP control panel, the Apache web server is running. Okay, so it is already running. Open our browser. Localhost 4, enter. Okay, they are they are connected to one another. So what I can do here to separate is put a escape sequence \n, and then we can simply refresh. Okay, wait. We can have here echo br. Okay, so we have here the result. Counting at 1, counting at 2, counting at 3, counting at 4, counting at 5, counting at 6, counting at 7, counting at 8, counting at 9, and counting out of 10, out at 10. So we have the correct result already, no, with our program, no. So we have here, okay. So very simple. We start with variable $a 1 up to 10, no. So increment. So as very simple of that, no. In order to separate, we are using the HTML code BR for next line. Before we end this video tutorial, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Pompirada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next tutorial, bye bye for now.